We're rocking around the refrigerator at the Triple T Christmas mukbang. Ooh, McDonald's again, McDonald's again. What else will he eat? Hey, I'm rocking around my refrigerator. I'm gonna eat on top. Everyone will see the McDonald's hanging above my head. Yes, I'm ready to eat. Hey, and you will get that tummy feeling as it grows. Triple T subbies and nasties. Spicy teas if you nasties. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey, we're rocking around the refrigerator at the Triple T mukbangs. Yes, that's a one take, y'all. One take wonder. Y'all wanted a twist, eh? It's me, it's Triple T. You know I did it. You know I did it, y'all. You know I freaking well did it. Alright? I got 3 sandwiches here. 3 sandwiches for y'all, okay? And I want this to be cringy as hell, y'all, okay? I want some cringe, y'all, okay? Y'all, I'm just, a lot of y'all are probably like, this guy's desperate, honey. I've always been desperate. I even love that show, Desperate Housewives. Desperate. That's my middle name, Desperate. Okay, these fries are cold, but that's okay. Alright, y'all. Let's get rid of that. Ooh, there's the seasoning. There we go, y'all. Oh, dump that in. Oh, child. Oh my goodness. She's a flipping and a flopping. Yes. Oh, all right. So let's eat the junior chicken first, y'all. Let's go for the chicken. Actually, you know what? Let's get all these burgers out here, okay? This damn thing is huge, y'all. Holy sheep shitting sideways. That's bigger than the actual McDouble. And the McDouble's got more. All right, y'all. They really juiced that baby up, didn't they? Yes. All right. All right, y'all. I gotta clean my apartment. It's a mess, y'all. Oh, child, look at this. I know some of y'all gonna be salivating. You're gonna be like, he got damn McDonald's again, y'all. Again. What in the hell is he doing, this child? Woo. All right. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little jingle there. Rocking around the refrigerator. That's right, because what? We're beyond the fridge. We're beyond life. And we're beyond all that bullshit, right? The bullshit of life. Right, y'all. Now that I've taken 1,001 screenshots, let's get into this McDonald's. Come right aboard me. Oh. Or come on top of me. Okay, so I was actually planning to do Slut Cider Sunday. I went to the store. My debit card wasn't working for some reason, so I abandoned what I was planning to make. Which probably would have been pretty good. I was going to make sliders and bring back Slider Sunday. Well, she needs a little extra ketchup, this one. Okay. And I brought back my cutting board, y'all. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yo, y'all, lately, I don't know if I'm eating fries too fast. Something's getting stuck in my throat. Ciao. I almost died on KFC. And now I'm almost dying on top of my damn fridge, y'all. Can y'all imagine? Mukbanger was eating on top of his fridge when he choked to death. Oh, guys. Holla slay, y'all. This is a McDonald's slut feeding. For the gods, of course. Whoa, child. Alright, let's get into this junior chicken. Go. This is good. So sorry for the sauce on my face. I'm just like, what's the point? I'm just gonna get more sauce with the next bite, you know? Ciao. That is where it's at. Y'all let me know in the comments if you're enjoying this series that I've now been bringing back, kind of like I've started to do a couple of videos already beyond the fridge. Oh, Domino's, that's the one I did recently, beyond the fridge. And that was the first one I done in, well, I did do one for the video entitled Just Paul. And now it's a laughing joke about my cutting board. Bring back my board. Where he at? Bring back my board. Where he at? Yes, y'all. Oh. I am now at 25K subs, y'all. I've been doing these ridiculous, crazy runway on my channel, on my streamcast, and it has gained me a lot of subscribers. So it's very tempting it's very tempting, y'all. Okay, I'm full now. Why get one burger? Why get two burgers when you can get three? Peggy Saunders, y'all. I don't know when I'll be uploading this, y'all. Y'all. I already have 99 videos on my phone. So, I gotta slow down on doing the mukbangs, y'all. Lately, I'm so out of control. Every time I eat, it's gonna be a mukbang. I was getting better with that, but lately I'm addicted again. I'm just like pumping out the videos, pump out a video, pump out a video. You'll see once I have no money again, there'll be no mukbangs. But I'm out of control, y'all. I gotta set some new goals for the new year. This month is gonna be a write-off. Okay, y'all, they put way too much sauce on this burger. Even though I asked for it, like, they really overloaded that thing. Like, this thing is massive. And this is This was bigger than the McDouble I had. I had a free McDouble. The Junior Deluxe is giving me very much like a Wendy's kind of. Because Wendy's has always had a Junior Cheeseburger Deluxe. And the reason I used to like getting that one, because they're cheap and it comes with everything. Lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, onions, you name it. No. I'm getting full up in here. It's been a weird day. It's like raining, it's sunny. It's still fall though. Everybody usually say now it's winter, but winter doesn't officially begin until December 21st, I think is the date. It's the end of fall. And it's time for Christmas and time for winter. Although it's not really wintry here too much. No. I'm struggling to finish this, y'all. Oh. I feel like Easy Eats with Jen. Just kidding, Jen. Oh, there's an ant. Oh. I guess ants want a mukbang on top of the fridge as well. Alright, guys. I feel nasty now after all this. Oh. Oh. Spicy teasy if you're nasty. Woo. Child. And you know I'm a whole lot of nasty girl. Yes. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all. My stomach is so stuffed, y'all. I just can't do it. I can't do the last bite, y'all. I just can't. I'm just saturated with fat. I'm beyond the fridge and I'm beyond fatness, y'all. Goals. Goals for the new year. They're coming. I've already conquered some things, and now it's time to conquer some other things. Not just eating mukbangs and getting fat. Alright, happy holidays, guys. I hope you enjoyed another one of my... oh, excuse me. Gross. Another Triple T mukbangs. Have a wonderful Christmas. Blessings, everyone. Subscribe, comment, like, share. Happy holidays, everyone. Thank you for joining and supporting my McDonald's videos, because my McDonald's videos appear to be some of my best, most viewed videos that I have. So I just say give the people what they want. So thank you guys for all of you that does watch my McDonald's videos and you say you love them and they're your favorite. Thank you so much. Blessings to you. And hey, there'll be many more McDonald's videos to come. Blessings.